Well, hello, beautiful friends. I am the Sugar Plum Fairy, and we need to decorate our Nutcracker tree. We have Clara here. Come join us to a faraway land of lots of sugar plum fairy magic. Decorate the tree today. We have this gorgeous flocked tree that I got 2 years ago at Hobby Lobby for 90% off, you guys. Then last year I got these candy canes.
Candy canes are from Hobby Lobby?
Yep, Hobby Lobby.
These are some big candy canes. I don't know that I would have thought to put these in my tree.
Yeah.
But they look so cute already.
Well, I had them going this way, and I decided I like them stuck going in.
They look cute stuck in.
Okay. So you want
and you can also dance around with it.
Oh.
And you can hook a friend. All right, let's get busy.
Let's get busy. So what we're going to do, easy breezy, guys, go get you some candy canes.
Big ones.
Yeah.
Big candy canes.
Don't go little. And then we're just going to.
I would have went little.
Slide that in.
Let's see, am I going the right way?
Yeah, that's good, I think.
I think I got to push mine down. It's not sticking in there very well. Whoop.
You hitting another?
Can't tell if he's too low or.
I think I like that.
And I assume you got on the ladder to get up there to do those.
Yeah.
And you got a nutcracker up top.
Okay, and then the nutcracker up top, you guys, it's a pillow, and I put a little bit of hot glue on the back with a little bit of twine on the top for the nutcracker head.
You would never know that's not a tree topper.
No.
Looks adorable. All right.
Okay. All right, guys. So let's take about maybe 1.5 feet of ribbon, and we're going to flip it into 2 bows. Take some wire and go around it, and then have another little tail coming off that can be your 3rd tuck-in on your ribbon. I'm going to show you real quick how I did this. So we're going to just take our ribbon and not put it in the candle. We're going to go 1 loop, 2 loops, cut enough, leave enough for your loop for your 3rd one. Okay. And then I have these little wire thingies that I've never used. I don't know if you can see that. They have a little wire and a stick. But you guys can use anything. You can use a pipe cleaner. You can use
pipe cleaner. I would have never thought about that.
Yep. It doesn't have to be this. It's just
bread tie.
Bread tie.
We thought about using the ornament hooks.
I think a zip tie.
Yeah,
would work. So you're gonna clamp the ribbon together tightly, and then take your wire around it, and then we're just gonna twist. Okay. And so now we don't have to use this entire roll of ribbon. You know, we can just use little pieces.
It'll look like it's going through the tree.
Yes.
But it's just kind of the facade of the bows.
Yeah. So I'm gonna
show us what you mean.
So we have our first one. I'm just gonna sort of pop it in here. And that stick does come in handy. And then we have the little loop. That's gonna be our 3rd one. And you need wired ribbon, remember that.
Wired ribbon.
Yep.
Okay.
And we're gonna do it in a slight angle, not like a real big angle. So we're gonna come down here with our next one.
Ah, so it looks like it's connected.
Woo!
Don't fall.
Yeah.
I love that it looks like it's all one piece.
Yeah. And you're not wasting, you know, the whole thing of ribbon.
Right.
There you go. So now we get to go make about, I don't know, 6 or 7 more of those. And we'll show you how it looks when we're done.
Well, Linette taught me how to do this. I'm not a great bow maker, so I'm kind of excited. I'm really excited because I'm not a great bow maker. But, so I took out my piece, and there's no right or wrong really. So I made my first loop. I'm gonna make my second loop, about like that. Even it out. Now, she wants me to do something special with this. Am I doing it yet or not yet?
Yes, you are. Let me explain why.
Okay.
Okay, she's gonna add an extra tail to this. And this is the reason why, because we just put our ribbon from the top, and this is the ribbon only had one tail, and it's coming down and coming down and coming down. And then I want the last piece that's gonna go here to have a double tail.
So am I just gonna connect all this together and then we'll cut this evenly?
Yep.
Okay.
So that last little piece showing
I'm just gonna add it to the back, right?
Yep.
And then I'm gonna squeeze it together. Make sure I got all my pieces here. Let me make this loop just a little bit bigger, I think. I think it's kind of small, isn't it? Okay. Take my wire.
Yep, just take your wire around it.
Squeeze this. Okay.
Yeah.
Hang on, I don't think I did my wire very tight.
Well, use another one. You can use two.
Yeah, I might need to with the fourth piece. Bumble fingers. All right, there we go. You have to squeeze it tight together. I didn't do that. I skipped that step. She told us to do that when she taught it. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put the wire. All right.
Okay.
There's my bow.
Awesome.
And
fluff it up a little.
Okay. Now I have my two. So
Yeah.
you want these to be the bottom?
Yep, and you can leave one a little longer than the other now.
Okay. And you want them dovetailed. She
Yeah.
called it.
I think it's called dovetailing.
Okay, so I'm going to take this and
Mhm.
fold it in half.
Yep.
And then I'm going to cut it. I'm going to use these scissors. And then I'm going to cut it. It's going to, can you see that?
Yep.
I'm going to cut it like this, right?
Mm-hmm. Making a little V, it makes it look a little fancier.
There it is.
Yeah.
Look at that. You want the other side too?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's easy enough. Even I can handle that. All right. Make sure I don't hit the edge of that one.
Yeah,
Well,
everyone
I
can
need
do
to go
this.
a little bit shorter because that one was already cut at an angle.
Yeah.
Let me just fix that. Can always fix it. There it is.
And look how pretty that looks. Okay.
Okay.
All right, so Nikki made the cute little bow with 2 tails. And so now this is going to be our ending piece. And we're just going to pop it in there, fluff it a little, have your little tails, or to act like that's attached, and voila,
There we go.
we're done.
So that looks like it's a whole just trail coming down that tree. Boop, 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 boop.
Yeah, and this way things are going to stay put because you got wire in there. If you would have just kind of tucked it in by the end of the season, things might not be looking that great.
All right.
Okay.
All right, we've been making more bows. We made this pink, green, and white polka dot ones. And we did the same. We started at the top and just draped it down. And we did our little ends here to make it look like the finisher. Love this color. We're gonna do another row, at least 2 more rows. Lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop. Okay.
All right, you guys. Look how pretty this is.
It's unbelievable. You can't even, it's breathtaking so far, and we're not even close to done. But we're gonna put these in.
Yep.
So we pop some in at the top
We got the ones up in the top,
and some one here.
and we got all of our ribbon. We got the polka dot a pink and green stripe, a little peppermint candies on the end.
And a little green candy peppermints on this end.
And then we just stuck some of these in, right like that. Easier said than done with this tree.
I'm not sure if I got that in the right place. Might need to be a little lower. Oh, maybe not. We'll fix it. It's hard to see here, but we always walk back, look at it, come back up, and re-put things how you want them. So.
And we're going to show you really close up of the ribbon real fast.
Yes.
And here we are adding some pearl picks that we thought would look really pretty in the tree. Look at these beautiful ornaments. And one of my really good friends told me that her grandmother told her that an ornament should go on every branch. So let's do that.
We finished the tree and I think it looks so pretty. It may be my favorite tree I've ever done. So
It's really something.
yeah, we have one last thing to do. We got these.
Oh, those pink friends. And they just really add the last touch. Are they just adorable? And we put them on these pedestals because nutcrackers deserve to be on a pedestal.
Yeah.
Right?
And so where'd you find these at, Nikki?
Michael's.
Michael's.
40% off. So just enough addition to the tree.
Just a little pop.
Yep. And please note that my shirt was purchased before I knew what this tree was going to look like. Is that a coincidence or what?
Pretty cool, huh? So the only thing that might bother me, but I'm getting used to it, but I have a question. Does it bother you guys that that pedestal and this pedestal do not match? I'm curious. I want to know what you guys think.
Doesn't bother me.
And I'm-
but she's a little bothered.
Yeah, but I think it's going to be fine. So
I think it looks amazing.
we love it.
Love it.
So why don't you guys go find a nutcracker, a gingerbread man, a reindeer, a snowman. What do you love?
Santa.
Santa. And go find a nutcracker and go find your passion. Right, Nick?
Go find your passion. Christmas is coming.
Yay!